So
let's start unboxing. As you can see, I've got a Tefal Fast Delicious Multicooker.
this is a multi-cooker. As you see, it has quite a variety of programs. The best thing of all is that you don't need to have induction or whatever type of
it's less use of the electric or gas, depends on what everybody has, and it's less like you don't need all those pans. You've got like a pressure cooker, slow cooker, and other options in one, and it's actually not very expensive on electricity.
I
think it's
so basically you have a 6-liter multi-cooker that you don't need to have another appliance to use. You just plug it in.
You just plug it in and cook basically anything you can imagine. So let's go on unboxing. It's got the instructions and a little recipe book.
They supplied with
it's got a nice. It's got quite a few in here.
Let me help you with that.
Yeah, you can do baby food, you can do stew and soups, pressure cook, you can bake, slow cook, you can make rice, oatmeal, and steam. Practically anything you need.
Yeah.
All in one.
But I believe it has different containers inside.
We will find out. There's some of the recipes, some soups, barbecue chicken. You can make sweets. You can make stews. As you can see, it's got quite a lot.
And you trust the brand? It's Tefal.
You definitely trust the brand. It's got a little instructions book.
The main thing is the pressure cooking, which is quite uncommon in the old days. You had to have a gas.
Well, yeah, and it used to be very dangerous. This is safe if you use it correctly.
Yeah.
You have to obviously.
It has some important warning.
You have to be sure that is in place, basically.
Yeah.
Screw it tightly. That's good.
So let's go to the main.
Yep. Well, that's one way of doing it.
It's very nice looking, to be fair. Don't know if you can manage. Yeah?
I can. Just maybe push the box a bit further down. Stay there. As you can see, it is quite big, but you can cook up to 6 liters, like around 4 to 6 people. So even like a big family, you just turn it and unlock it.
Yeah, you have obvious instructions.
It's got like steam.
So release the steam, a button for the refill steam.
It's very easy to press.
I believe this is a safety valve.
Yes, I would say for steam.
And it keeps the top in place.
Yes, it does, so you're not making a mess.
Yeah. I hope it's not gonna create a mess with all the steam running down.
No, it's obviously, like when you cook, if it's steamy, obviously, unlock it. Right, before you actually open it, you release the steam a bit.
Right.
As you would do with a pan. It's got a little. I think we have to read the instructions.
Is it plastic or?
That is plastic.
So it might be the steamer.
I would believe it is the steamer. It's got little.
So you have something that looks like we're gonna see the instructions.
We are going to see the instructions, but let's get everything
plastic
out.
lid.
We've got
this is
power cord.
UK outlet.
We've got.
You have a small.
I would say a stirrer, but
yeah, it might be. Yeah, inside,
that's the steamer.
Inside of it, it looks like it has like a this stick. Let me. You're too fast.
Oh, sorry. Let's go again.
Yeah. So yep, this is the main.
This is the pot.
Because I believe the appliance is not suitable to get wet, at least wet or under the.
Well, you can't actually wash the whole thing. You just wipe that. And when you cook and you leave it cool down, you just very, very easily take this out, wash it, put it back in. It is non-stick.
It looks like it's not non-stick material.
It is non-stick.
So I believe that's a type of sensor that detects if you have the sorry, I can let me zoom in. That's a sensor that detects that your pot is in place to stop the heating of the elements.
And this keeps it warm.
Yeah.
That's ceramic, actually.
That's very good.
That is very good because even when you turn it off, it keeps the warmth. And when you're slow cooking, this will keep warm the whole time.
And you can see that at the face that you have quite a big amount of things you can prepare and cook. I like they put a button that says DIY. So basically you set your time, you set your temperature, and you cook the way you want to cook.
Yeah, it's for you can follow the instructions, but obviously everybody cooks different recipes, different times. So you can actually set it as you want, like the veggies, so the people get soft.
We're looking forward to cook something tomorrow and let you know how it goes.
I'm definitely gonna cook.
And let's go to the next day. So here it is. We have the Tefal, the pressure cooker, and we're making some rice with beef. It looks very nice. We are under the learning pattern, if you like to say, but it's very reliable and everything is clear, and the book helps a lot.
The sweet and sour.